outside and get busy. Okay, so we have a really beautiful day today, and I'm going to do a little work in a garden that my son and his friend made for me. There we go. Here's my little wagon of supplies. So it's been neglected, I'd say. We put it in, and then we went through in our home a little bit of illness. Oh, this is really heavy. A little illness this summer, so then we have just barely been able to water it and keep it going. So let me get over there. You can see me dragging my little cart here. Let me get to it and I'll show you what we've got going on. This is the fenced garden, and we do have it fenced because we have 3 puppies who like to roam. So we keep you updated on those flowers. But for now, this is the corner we're working on. Right back there. This is the garden space that was created. In the back we have some cana lilies, and those are going to bloom yellow, and actually they did bloom. And right in front of, they did bloom, but we have some rabbits that are coming to eat my garden. And right here we have hibiscus, and then another hibiscus, and another hibiscus, and then some filler flowers throughout. This little thing right here is actually euphorbia, and that was eaten down. It was a little bigger. And then we have, just a few little things for color. So the rabbits have been coming, having a little snack on us. So what I'm going to do today is I have this, it says hammer in edging. So I'm going to try to put that around the garden. And this is some black mulch that we will spread among the flowers, and to create a border in this area, and then pull some weeds and get it spiffied up a little bit. And then we're going to come back a little bit later and bring some drip irrigation to this area. Even though we have sprinklers for the lawn, it just misses this corner to give it a good soaking. So we're gonna do that, as well as add the drip for, I'll turn you around here. So there's the lawn, good irrigation. And then we have all the flowers and plantings on the inside. So instead of having them use the regular sprinklers, we're going to do drip. So you can see here what's happening to the flowers. The tops of the cat whiskers are being just broken off, and the leaves, or the blossom, is being damaged because of, you can see that they're just absent of their flowers and whiskers. So anyway, we're hoping that a drip will help us to be able to control what's happening in here. And we have, if you can see on this side down here, there's a few rose bushes, and you don't want those just bombarded with water, especially heavy sprinkler water, because it can be pretty hard. And then outside of the fence we have plumbagos, and they're doing really well. But you can see on the end nearest me, they're much taller, and the end away from me, they get shorter. And that's because the sprinklers, one is located at that end, and it overshoots the plumbago at that end, so this end gets more water. So we're going to try to even out everything we have going on back here. Hopefully before fall is over we can get that done.